Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with exercise 1 of chapter number 11, that is handling data. So let's get started with question number 1. Question 1 is: Four Girl Scouts sold cookies for 1 month. The list below shows how many boxes were sold by each Girl Scout. सो फोर गर्ल्स का एक स्काउट था और उन्होंने कुकीज़ सोल्ड करी थी 1 मंथ के लिए एंड दे सोल्ड द डिफरेंट नंबर ऑफ बॉक्सेस. सो द नेम्स ऑफ फोर गर्ल्स वर मीना एंड शी सोल्ड 40 बॉक्सेस, सोहिनी sold 35 boxes, Ella sold 15 boxes and Zebi sold 50 boxes. Now what you have to do by using this information, you have to complete the pictograph as well as you have to give the answer to the questions. I've already told you in the explanation कि pictograph, what is pictograph? Pictograph is representing the information with the help of pictures. Pictures की help से हम अपने information को represent करते हैं. So we are going to make the pictograph by using this information in our copy. Let's see how we are going to make. Now for making the pictograph, we are going to make two columns. The first column will be the name of the girls, right? And the second column will represent the cookies sold by them. उन्होंने कितनी cookies sold करी हैं. Now since you have seen the data here, Meena has sold 40 boxes, so it is not possible here to draw 40 symbols because the number is too large, right? So for this, what we are going to do, we are going to set up a key. हम क्या करेंगे, एक key set करेंगे. So if you have a look on all these numbers, these all numbers are the multiples of 5. ये सब 5 की टेबल से डिविजिबल होते हैं, ये सब 5 के मल्टीपल्स हैं. So we are going to set up a symbol and we are going to take that symbol equals to 5 boxes. Why we are taking 5 boxes? Because these all are the multiples of 5. So first of all, we are going to mention the key here. So you can see I have taken the symbol, this smiley as a symbol, and this one smiley is going to represent 5 boxes. Now, Meena has sold 40 boxes. So how many boxes we are going to draw for, how many symbols we are going to draw for Meena? So you know that in the table of 5 की table में 40 occurs how many times? If you read out the table, then it occurs 8 times. So it means that here we are going to make 8 smileys, right? So let's make 8 smileys. You got it? Why we are making 8? Because it is occurring 8 times in the table of 5. So you can see I have made 8 smileys over here. Now let's come to next girl, that is Sohini. She sold 35 boxes. So again we will check in the table of 5. 35 occurs how many times? 7 times. So how many smileys we are going to make here? We are going to make 7 smileys. Okay, you have to draw the symbols very neatly. Okay, now let's come to next, Ella. Ella has sold 15 boxes. So again we will check in the table of 5. 15 occur how many times? Yes, 3 times. So how many smileys we are going to draw in front of Ella? That are 3. And Zebi has sold 50 boxes. So in the table of 5, 50 occurs how many times? 10 times. So how many smileys? How many symbols? 10 symbols, 10 smileys we are going to draw in front of Zebi. Okay. So this way you are going to complete the symbols of Ella and Zebi at your own. I have already shown you how to find out how to draw the symbols for Meena and Sohini. Now there are some question answers that are based on this pictograph. So we are going to give the answers to those questions. Now have a look on first question. First question is, how many boxes of cookies did the girls sell in all? सारी girls ने कितने boxes cookies के sell किए? So how we are going to find this? So what we are going to do here is we are going to add all the boxes that are sold by all the girls. First girl Meena has sold 40 boxes, so we'll write 40 plus second girl 35 boxes, so we'll write 35 plus then 15 plus and then 50. When you will add them up, you will get 140 boxes. So these are the number of boxes that are sold by all the girls. Second question is, how many more boxes of cookies did Meena sell than Sohini? Meena ने, you can see Meena ने जो boxes थे वो ज़्यादा sell किए और सोहिनी ने जो boxes थे वो कम sell किए. You can see from this information Meena has sold 40 boxes and Sohini has sold 35 boxes. So you have to find out कि Meena has sold how many more boxes than Sohini. So what we are going to do here is we are going to subtract the boxes of Sohini from the boxes of Meena. So we'll write here 40 boxes that are sold by Meena and minus 35 boxes that are sold by Sohini. So when you subtract, you will get how many boxes? 5 boxes. So it means 5 more boxes were sold by Meena than Sohini. Now have a look on next question. Which two girls sold a total of 75 boxes? कौन सी ऐसी दो girls हैं जिनका total जो आ रहा है वो 75 boxes आ रहे हैं? So have a look here. If you see Meena and Sohini, if you are going to add these two boxes, 40 plus 35, that is 75. So the name of those two girls are Meena and Sohini. These are the two girls who have sold the total of 75 boxes of cookies. Next, last question of this pictograph is, half of the cookies sold by Zebi were Thin Mints. That's a flavor of the cookies. How many boxes of Thin Mints did Zebi sell? क्या कह रहे हैं कि जितनी भी थिन मिंट्स की कुकीज़ आई थी उसमें से हाफ बॉक्सेस वो जेबी ने सोल्ड किए थे, राइट? तो थिन मिंट्स के कितने बॉक्सेस जेबी ने सोल्ड किए? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू नो द मीनिंग ऑफ हाफ. आपने फ्रैक्शन में पढ़ा था व्हाट इज़ हाफ. हाफ को हम कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं? दैट इज़ 1/2, राइट? एंड दे आर सेइंग जो भी जेबी ने कितने बॉक्सेस सोल्ड करें? 50 बॉक्सेस. तो 1/2 ऑफ 50 boxes. You have solved such questions in fractions if you remember. 1/2 we will replace off with multiplication sign and we will write 50 here. Then what we are going to do? We are going to divide 50 by 2. Okay, हम 50 को 2 से divide करेंगे. So when you will divide, okay, I am showing you the division here in the rough column so that you can understand in a better way. How we are going to divide? We will take only one digit, that is 5, and we will read the table of 2. You will take 2 times 2, 2s are 4, 2 3 6 will be greater, so we will take 2, 2s are 4. We will subtract 5 minus 4, that is 1, then you will bring down the next digit, that is 0. Now the number becomes 10. In the table of 2, 10 occurs how many times? 5 times. So 2 5s are 10. So what is our answer? Our answer is 25. It means 25 boxes of Thin Mints were sold by Zebi. Okay, so these all question answers you have to complete after drawing the pictograph in your maths copy. Thank you.